What's up, YouTube? Today I have a new product, and it's an aerating pour. As you can see, it's for wine. In the side you have the instruction on how to put it. The other side show you what it does, how it looks. So let's get it open. In my description there will be a link of where to buy. You open the box, it's nice and stuck in there so it won't damage. You can see looks just like this. This side goes into the wine bottle, then you can pour it in nicely. So let's check it out, see how it works. Got a bottle of wine, put it on top, make sure it's all the way in. Have your cup, your wine glass, and you pour it. As you can see, it pours lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. With no mess. Shake it so you can smell it. Pretty good. Taste it. Tastes good. Well, this is what it is. It won't spill, won't make a mess. Awesome. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.